In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete emails in bulk in Gmail. If your inbox has gotten out of hand, the fastest way to get back in control is to select groups of messages and delete them all at once. Let's walk through the two simple ways to do that, and I'll share a few tips to keep things safe and tidy. Start by opening Gmail in your browser and head to your inbox or any label or search results where the messages you want to remove are gathered. You'll see a small checkbox to the left of each email. Click that checkbox to mark the message. You can keep clicking additional checkboxes to build a selection of messages you no longer need. Once you've marked everything you want to delete, look along the top toolbar for the trash can icon. Click it, and Gmail will move all selected messages to the trash. If you notice you selected something by mistake, you can uncheck it before you click delete. Right after deleting, Gmail usually shows an undo option along the bottom of the screen, which lets you quickly reverse the action. There's also a faster way when you want to clear everything you're currently looking at. At the top left of the message list, above the checkboxes, there is a master checkbox. Click that, and Gmail selects all the emails you can see in the current view. This is especially handy after you've used the search bar or filters to narrow down the messages you're targeting. With all visible messages selected, click the trash can icon and they'll be moved to the trash in one step. A couple of quick notes so you feel confident. Deleting in Gmail sends messages to the trash folder, where they stay for 30 days before being permanently removed. If you change your mind, open trash and move a message back to the inbox within that time. Also, the master checkbox selects only the messages on the current page. If your results span multiple pages, repeat the select and delete process on each page. Finally, consider scanning your selection before you delete, especially if your filter caught important receipts or conversations. That's it. By marking individual checkboxes or using the top checkbox to select everything in view, you can clean up hundreds of messages in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner inbox.